What's up, everyone? My name is Jordan Birdie. I'm a ski buyer at Evo. I am here with Leslie Baker Brown of Blizzard. We are here to talk about the new Black Pearl skis. Leslie, tell me what's going on with this new ski.
Yeah, everything is going on new with this ski. It's it's really an evolution of what we've been doing with the Black Pearl. This ski has been an iconic ski in the market, and we really just wanted to make the improvements to meet today's skier where they are, to make them a little bit more fun, but also more stable and more confidence inspiring. So new constructions, new molds, new design, but really the same Black Pearl spirit.
All right, the same Black Pearl spirit. Who's going to grab this ski?
So the same skiers that have been grabbing the Black Pearl all along, and it's just that these skis are built for a very wide range of skiers. So, depending on your size and the length of ski that you're skiing on, 176 down to the 140s, we've really tailored them to that skier, and it's the person that's an all-mountain skier. They want to feel the snow, they want to be able to carve, but they also want to have some fun and playfulness in the bumps or in the trees. Really can take them anywhere on the mountain.
I love it. Head over to evo.com to learn more.